CAMPS conference is going to really benefit manufacturers, regardless of the industry. There's many things we have to work on in manufacturing. We need to improve workforce, training, and many other factors, but innovation continues to provide the most value for manufacturers, and we're watching it everywhere we go. So this conference is going to really bring together the greatest minds and the greatest people in our area who are going to share their experiences and the value of innovation in manufacturing. We have Simon Floyd from Microsoft, who we're really looking forward to. He's a VP of Manufacturing for Microsoft, and he's got that big picture point of view. And we've got Andy Stossel from Zebra going to speak to us about disruptive innovation and what he's seeing on the ground. We've got some exciting panels who are going to share real-life experiences, so it's not just the theory of innovation, but people who are actually doing it. I've talked with manufacturers who have mentioned that a lot of their business actually comes from the CAMPS community, because as you get to know more people, there's opportunities and you need things from each other. But I've heard people just talk about how somebody else manages their inventory, or maybe they've been through the process of internet security, cybersecurity, and we can accelerate the pace at which we learn and improve and serve the world better. There's so many ways that we as a community can do things that individual manufacturers can't do on their own, but we're making manufacturing better in Washington State.